Welcome back to another video on the channel, man. Today we're gonna be doing some drift car things. I posted this car a couple times on Reels. I have not posted in a while. That's my buddy Tyler's car, and we boosted this thing 2 years ago? Almost 3 years ago, and it's been running on this setup, not the same motor. He's probably been through three motors since.
About to be on my second turbo.
Oh yeah, that thing. Shit, the radiator is hot. Do not touch. But yeah, this is second turbo.
Gonna be on the second turbo.
It's gone. Still makes good boost. He just put a new fuel pump in it. It actually rips now. Like, he can actually drive it how he wants. Somewhat. Still spits, still sputters, but
not bad.
It's not bad at all.
It does burn out.
It does burn out.
So, about to rip the diff out of here. Jump over to his shit. Rip the diff out of it.
And then get a new clutch in it as well.
And
we had to,
motor,
yeah,
we,
had to wire it up. It looked weird. That's how the electric, whatever. The company that we went to told us single wire to do that. I think it's
we
weird.
Wanted something like this.
But yeah,
one insulated wire with 3 in it, and they give us that. So.
It'll work. It works. Throws down a good weld. So clutch, diff in this. We're gonna do this first. We're just gonna get the diff out, and then we might bounce over to this. We're not trying to run around town all day, so we're gonna
strip it. Both cars. Strip this one. Strip that one. Take the diff, empty them, clean them both. And then once we get the diff fluid and all that stuff back, whenever we go to the store, we'll start messing with the welding on each of them because they'll both be sitting right next to each other.
We still need plate too, like a little.
Yeah, we need to go get some plate for that. So.
Like a little metal square that'll go inside the diff. But
doing it the down and dirty way, but it works. It's proven fact it works because he had a BMW.
dude, my first 335, the white one, Oscar, had a welded diff, and it ripped harder than this car. And that car had twins on it, and this is the big turbo car.
And the 325 that I just was talking about, or 328.
Which one, the red one?
The black one. The black one there.
Oh, my E36, yeah.
325.
Yeah.
So it was welded diff too.
And I posted videos of that on the channel. You can go view those. They're old, but they're still good videos. This is a big turbo car. Barely gets to see the sun. But it's not about this today. It's about doing drift car things. So we're gonna get that. Let's start on this diff. See what we can do. Yep. Got the carpenter hammer. Putting it to use.
We get stuff done though around here.
Yep.
No matter what tool you have, if it does the same purpose, use that thing. It's a little bent now.
It's alright. I think it was already bent. Already bent.
I know, I heard you say that.
What the fuck? But these bolts come out. These all on the axles. And then you got 4 rusty trusties
on the back.
On the back.
And then these 2 up here.
And them 2 up there.
And then 4 of these that hook the drive shaft to the
yoke.
The yoke, yeah.
So get that shit out of there.
Look at the boot.
Is it busted?
I've been hearing my CV axle popping.
Oh yeah.
Ever since I turned up the boost on this and made it run a little bit better.
Yep. Now she needs axles.
But you weld the diff first.
You don't, yeah.
Weld the diff first.
Yep. Update. My girlfriend called me into the house for a fucking bee flying in the window. Because we don't have a window upstairs yet. Well, we're working on it. But he already got his diff out.
Should have drained it while I was in there.
Yeah, should have.
But we're going to do with what we got.
You can't get it. I
haven't tried.
The impact?
I haven't tried.
Use it.
I want to do it like this. I haven't tried. Yeah, I need to use the impact.
Alright, good idea. This nigga's over here trying to ride the diff. Ooh. Excuse me.
Drain it right onto the floor, guys.
No.
Yeah, stinkiest thing in the world. Drain it right onto the floor. Yeah. Gotta watch the batons.
Hold on. I gotta get a lid for that. Don't want that. They put that exhaust on. It didn't weld anything here. So we're just gonna have to weld it when we, do that.
It's dirty, but it's not bad.
Oh, that's not even the right fucking lid.
It worked.
And you got his diff out. I still got. I'm gonna do the trans first, then I'm gonna do my diff.
Ooh, I lied. I lied.
Ooh.
There's a Christmas tree in there, guys. Merry Christmas.
That shit fucking stinks, bro.
Bad.
Oof. I lied.
Gonna need a lot of brake fluid. I mean, cleaner.
And I'm gonna order an extra diff, just because.
I'm not. BMW's got strong ass diffs.
I got a lot of more power in that than the BMW, I feel like.
Nah, BMW's got a lot of torque. It's not as torquey.
It was earlier. I gotta mess with the tune a little bit.
Just got my diff out. We did get the trans out and the clutch off. We're gonna do a backyard resurface on that because it's kind of rough, but it'll buff. It don't gotta be perfect, as long as it'll grip up. Let me get from under here. Wow. So we did that pretty quick. I was working on customer cars in the middle of it as well, so getting real close.
Feeling real dirty too.
Yeah, I'm dirty. He got his case all off. I'm gonna get mine over here, get it drained, and get the case off as well. So we're about to be on some Fast and Furious. Ain't that right, huh? Want to bust some bubbles? Ooh. Try them? Yeah. Here, let me get some. Try some bubbles. Ooh. Ooh. All done. Here, you blow bubbles now. But we're gonna get this. We're about to make an O'Reilly's run and grab brake fluid, gear diff oil for both diffs. What else do we need besides that?
Brake fluid, diff fluid. I was going to get oil to change my oil in my car.
We need a plate. We need plates.
And we need some hand cleaner because I'm sick of it.
Yeah.
But some metal plate. Metal plate.
Probably go to Ace Hardware for that.
Grinding wheels and cut off.
I don't even have a grinder.
Grinding wheels, cut off, wheels, grinding.
A sawzall. I don't got that. I'm not trying to blow that type of money on this budget shit.
I should have brought my grinder, man.
You should have bought it. My
I
bad.
had my girlfriend bring my big man. I should have had her bring the grinder too. But we're just now talking about this stuff, so.
Yeah. So we got that out. Old buddy that had this car, he did not know how to drive manual, and he admitted it too. He was like, "Yeah, I was learning. That's why the clutch is out."
Wrong, buddy.
But oh, yeah, that's what you want. Oh my!
We got this diff out of the BMW.
About to turn these into some art. Have to. We should do the fucking big turbo car too.
Maybe another day.
While we're here, fuck it. 3 diffs in one day.
Don't have enough jack stands here.
We don't. So we're gonna weld. I gotta dump mine out. Then we're gonna get some brake clean. And just so you know, we cannot, when we go to weld this, make sure we like spark a lighter next to it so it'll whoosh the shit out.
It's going outside in the parking lot.
Bro,
I'm not doing that here.
no, bro. I did that on the E36 diff. I sprayed it out with brake cleaner and I went to weld it without fucking like getting the fumes out. And as soon as I hit the welder, whoosh, big ass fucking flame comes up
we're
in
not
my,
gonna do that.
comes up, hits me in the face, singes my eyebrows off. My mustache was
See
gone.
how clean yours is compared to mine, though? how shiny yours is.
It's not bad though. They had that open before and resealed it. So then gave Tyler the fucking fire.
What you gotta do, right?
Gotta get the vapors out. That is like crucial. You must like set them on fire because they got vapors in it. So once the fire goes out, you're solid.
Until you keep spraying it.
Until you keep spraying it. But we're about to get these welded up. We got to cut the 2 pieces for them and should be good to go. I want to start welding some shit up. And get some stuff reassembled. See it? About to get these diffs welded up. But throw tacks and the 4 corners.
I can't take you seriously with the glasses.
And then we're gonna get these plates what we got made up, these little doodly dads, and hopefully, I don't know, put down in the comments whose diff you think will blow first.
I have to drive mine home tonight.
So it's gonna be, hey, it'll do all right. I did the E36, so
we got it.
it's solid. Right. It's solid. But the clutch and everything is in the E39. Trans is in, slave cylinders on, starters in. Literally, diff, drive shaft, and we're ready to go. So we got this diff welded. He threw some absolute boogers on there.
Yeah, it's okay.
Absolute boogers, but and that welder's not bad for being 5 years old, and it was only $200 at the time. So it got the job done. We're waiting on this to dry a bit on both of our covers, and then literally all we both got to do the same thing. He just doesn't have to put his exhaust back on. But diff, drive shaft, and that's it, really. Process wasn't too bad. We were fucking off a lot, so it took us a little longer. But
brakes on another truck.
Yeah, had a customer car show up and did brakes on front and back on that, and had my daughter. So yeah, just had hands full throughout the night. But I don't know what time it is now. But we started on this around 1, 2 o'clock, I think, maybe. So not bad time for real.
Today,
Clutch.
Both diffs.
Yeah, both diffs. Well, both.
And then hopefully have this one at least in there by the end of it.
Which one?
One.
Oh, I'm getting my shit back in there too. What the fuck you talking about?
I don't know if you were going to bed or what, but
Bed?
I got to drive mine home.
Yeah,
that's 20 minutes outside of town. So.
Yeah. I'm getting my shit done, because if I don't get it done right now, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. So we did end up getting his car fully complete. My car is literally fully complete as well. I just got to weld some exhaust, like a hanger on there. He's about to drive 20 minutes home. He's going to let me know how his car does. I'm going to sit here. I still got to put diff fluid in mine. And this motherfucker's moving that loud ass jack around. I still gotta do diff fluid and weld the exhaust hanger. But other than that, it's all back together. The brand new clutch is in. Yeah. Let's see how if it chirps away. He better not drift it right here. She's chirping. Falls off the jack stands, goes through the fucking garage door.
Into the trailer.
but every gear. Oh. Shit. We're good. No loud throttle
All
bearing.
that smell is diff fluid.
Yeah.
Dirty butt in there. That's what it smells like.
So everything works.
Eating with dirty butt fingers.
Yeah, I'm about to. This is 1:30 in the morning. His car's done.
I ain't 1:30 yet, but it's about to be whenever I go to bed.
All I gotta do is weld. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on. I think I'm gonna just put blast pipes. I don't like the raspiness from this turd looking thing. So I just need to weld that hanger right there. And she's good to go. And I guess that will be the end of this video, man. Like, I think we were in here for almost 8 hours.
It's 12:40.
12:40, we started
We started at 1.
So yeah, 12-hour shift, straight on
And then I gotta
the
wake
drift
up
cars.
at 5:30 and get back out and mow grass at 6:30.
I got work in the morning as well at 7. So
2 hours, 3 hours of sleep.
yep, we'll be back at it. We're gonna drop another video next time. The next video is us sliding at a track somewhere in both of them, so you can just see how
And Deshaun's gonna hit a wall.
it already looks like I kind of hit a wall right here, but I might actually tap.
This is a different color too.
Yeah, the bumpers are a different silver. Yep.
I just noticed. 'Cause I was wondering how that wreck didn't mess the bumper up.
Yeah, because they got a new bumper.
Yeah, it's kind of the same color, but it's not.
But-
More champagne color.
I think I'm gonna try to get that out, pull it out, make it look somewhat decenter, and then I'm gonna do tubes.
More gooder.
I'm gonna do tubes on the front, like the tube front end and tube rear bumper as well.
Big radiator.
It'll look good. So, if you guys enjoyed what you saw here today, man, make sure you tune in, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get out of here because you can tell I'm tired in the eyes. I'm starting to wear
I
down.
was just zoned out looking at that sticker.
Too loud, too bad. Yeah, this thing is extremely loud. But man, tune in on the next episode, next video, whatever you want to call it. Peace out, man.